Welcome to my channel TKP Hub.
Hi everyone. In previous classes we discussed about the exercise 1.1 briefly. If there is any, I think there is no doubt. So today I am going to discuss exercise 1.2. That is, first number is represent these numbers on the number line. First is 7/4, we have to represent, and minus 5/6. So first we represent 7/4. Okay, so the denominator tells us that the one unit divided into 4 equal parts. Here the 1 unit means 0 to 1 can divided as 4 equal parts. Then the here the denominator 6 is tells that the 1 unit means 0 to 1 is divided into 6 equal part. Okay, when we solve these fractions or rational numbers, we can understand easily. Okay, so first is 7/4. We draw a number line. Here is a number line. So it is positive, we can take 0 to the left side and 1 to the, here is 1. Okay, it tells that 0 to 1 divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Okay, we can write as it is 1 can written as 1 can be written as 4/4, because 4/4 cancel and it get 1. Always remember the denominator we can here, but there is a denominator as like is 5. We can write 1 as 5/5. Okay, so 4/4, then 0 can be written as 0/4, then 0 after 0 there is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, then here is after 4 5/4, then 6/4, then 7/4, then 8/4. 8/4 means 4 to 8, here is 2. Okay, but our question is to represent 7/4, so this is the 7/4. Okay, understood. Then next is minus 5/6. The second is minus 5/6. So here we can take a number line. Okay, we have to represent negative rational number, so we have to take 0 here. Then it tells that 0 to 1 becomes 6 equal part. Here is 1 means minus 1. We can write as 6 as 0/6, minus 1 as minus 6/6. Then going to the left side, it becomes minus 1/6, minus 2/6, minus 3/6, minus 4/6, minus 5/6, then minus 6/6. Look, there is 6 equal part, 1 2 3 4 5 6, which tells by the denominator. Okay, but our number is minus 5/6 is here. Okay, next number is represent minus 2/11, minus 5/11, and minus 9/11 on number line. Okay, so its denominator 11 tells us that the 0 to 1 or first 1 unit or 1 units can divide it into 11 equal parts. So we can take a number line and negative, so we took 0 here, then 0 is 11, so 11 it can be written as 0 by 11, then minus 1 by 11, then minus 2 by 11, because when we go to the left side of the number line, the number is increasing but it is negative. And always remember that the larger negative number is always smaller than the small negative number. That means minus 2 is less than minus 1. Minus 2 ta minus 1 tharu sanna. Minus 3 by 11, then here is minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, minus 11 by 11, that is minus 1. Okay, so our representation is minus 2 by 11 here, minus 5 by 11 here, and the minus 9 by 11 is here. Okay, this is the representation of rational number on number line. Any rational number can be represented on the number line as like that. Okay, don't worry and solve this. Next number is write 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. So here is only one rational number is given. We have to find another 5 rational number which are less than this rational number 2. 2 is a rational number because we can write the denominator as 1. Every number can be rational number. So smaller number than 2 is also 1. So we can take 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and another number is 2. So we can find 5 rational number as 1 can be written as 1 by 1, 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Okay, we can multiply both 10 and 10 on the numerator and denominator. Multiplying multiplying 10 on both numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. 1 by 1 into 10 by 10 and 2 by 10 into 1 by 10. So new number becomes 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. So any 5 rational number between these two numbers is, so 5 rational number between them equals to 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, and also 15 by 10. We can write as 19 by 10 till 19 by 10. Okay, this is the single method. Then another method is here also to find any rational number between any two number. We can just add them. Look, method 2. The number is 2 and the less than 2 is 1. Okay, so first we add these two number and divided by 2. So first rational number equals to adding both number divided by 2 means 3 by 2. Here is the number line. Let if is 1 then it is 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 means between the two number. Then we can add these two number and divided by 2 we get here also the next number. Second 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. 2 is LCM. 2 1 is 2 plus 3 then divided by 2. 5 by 2 divided by 2 then it becomes 5 by 4. Here is we get 5 by 4. Then we can add 3 by 2 plus 2. Third 3 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, then LCM goes 2 divided, then 1 multiplied is 3, 2 2 is 4 divided by 2. 7 by 2 divided by 2 which is 7 by 4, because when 2 goes to numerator it becomes 1 by 2. Then fourth is 7 by 4, we get 7 by 4 here. Then we can add 5 by 4 and 3 by 4. Any two number can added. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. LCM is 4. When we divided 4 we get 1 as 5 plus when we divided 4 by 2, 2 3 is 6 by 2. 11 by 4 by 2 which is 11 by 8. Okay, then the last fifth number is we can add 3 by 2 with 1 plus 3 by 2 we can add, we have already added. Then we can add 11 by 8 with 5 by 4. 11 by 8 plus 5 by 4 divided by 2. So LCM is 8. 8 divided 11 plus 8 divided by 4 equal to 2 5 is 10, then divided by 2. 11 plus 10 equal to 21 by 8 divided by 2 which is 21 by 16. Okay, next number is find 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. We have to make the denominator as equal, so we can find the different rational number between the two numerator difference. Okay, so first we have to equal the denominator. Okay, when we multiply 2 here and when we multiplied 5 here, the denominator becomes 10. So multiplying 2 and 2 here and multiplying 5 here, it becomes minus 4 by 10 and it becomes 5 by 10. The denominator is now equal. Then we have to multiply any number so that we can get 10 rational number between these two numbers. So multiplying, let 2, if you multiply 2 then it is minus 8 and it is 10. Okay, multiplying 2 on both numerator and denominator, it becomes minus 4 into 2 by 10 into 2 and 5 by 2 into 10 by 2. It becomes minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. So the 10 rational numbers are 10 rational numbers are, first is -8, then -7, -7 by 20, then -6 by 20, -5 by 20, -4 by 20, -3 by 20, -2 by 20, -1 by 20, then 0, then 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20. We can write as like that, as like, or till 9 by 20, because our limit is 10 by 20. Okay, this is the answer. Next number is find 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, -3 by 2 and 5 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 5 rational number. First, in first cases, we have to first equal the denominator. Okay, multiplying 5 here and 3 here, it becomes 15. So 2 into by 3 and it is 4 by 5. We multiply, here is 5, 3 5 is 15 and 5 3 is 15. Here is also 5 5, here is also 3, so it becomes 10 by 15 and it becomes 12 by 15. Okay, but we can't find the 5 rational number between 10 and 12, so we have to multiply another number. Okay, 10 2 is 20, 24 no, we have to multiply direct 10 10 10 10 10 10. Okay, it becomes 100 by 150 and it becomes 120 by 150. So the 10 rational number is 101 by 150. So the 10 rational number are 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 104 by 150, 105 by 150, 106 by 150, 107 by 150, 180 by 150, 109 by 150, 110 by 150. Okay, next is -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So first we have to equal the denominator. Here is 5 by 3. So multiplying 3 here and multiplying 2 here. 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6. So here also we multiply 2, here also multiply 3. It becomes -9 by 6 and it becomes 10 by 6. So we can multiply another 10. So it makes easy us to find 10 rational number between them. So it becomes -90 by 60 and it becomes 100 by 60. Okay, we can find the 10 rational numbers are 10 rational numbers are -90, then -89 by 60, -80 by 60, -75 by 60, -70 by 60, -60 by 60, -50 by 60, 0, 1 by 60, 2 by 60, 3 by 60. Okay, next question is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So when we multiplied the numbers, you can write multiplying this number on both numerator and denominator we get. So we have to make the denominator same, so we can multiply only 2 here. Okay, so first number is 1 by 4 and the second number is 1 by 2. Multiply 2 on both, it becomes 1 by 4 and it becomes 2 by 4. So multiplying 10, when you multiply 10, it becomes 10 to 10, 10 into 10, so it becomes 10 by 40 and it becomes 20 by 40. But in between 10 and 20 there is no 10 rational numbers. Okay, there are only 9 numbers, so we have to multiply another number, so we can get easily 10 rational number. Okay, into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it becomes 20 by 80 and 40 by 80. So 10 rational numbers are 10 rational numbers are 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, 24 by 80, 25 by 80, 26 by 80, 27 by 80, 28 by 80, 29 by 80, 30 by 80. Okay, the 10 rational numbers are these. Next number is write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. So greater than -2, the number is -1, 0, 1, 2. We can take any whole number because any whole number can represent or can written as rational number. So okay, the -2 and next number is -1. Okay, next number is -1, next greater number is -1. When we add the two number and divide by 2, we get first rational number. So -1 -2 equal to -3 by 2. Then next two number are -2 and 0. We can add and divided by 2, we get the second rational number, -2 by 2 equal to -1. Then we add 1, -2 and 1, -2 and 1 divided by 2. -2 plus 1 means -1 by 2. 4, -2 plus 2 divided by 2, 0 by 2 equals to 0. Then fifth, -2 plus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, this is the 5 rational number. You can take, if you can take only one number, -2 and -1, then we get -3 by 2, then -3 by 2 added with the -2, we get divided by 2, then -3 by 2 with the -1 and divided by 2. As like before we solve, we can solve this number that type or this type. Okay, the last number is find 10 rational number between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So first we have to make the equal denominator, multiply 4 and here we multiply 5, means alternative multiplication. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, we multiply that denominator into 5 and this denominator with the 4, 5, it becomes 12 by 20 and it becomes 15 by 20. So in between 12 and 15 there is no 10 rational number, so we can multiply a big number, that is 10 and 10 and also 10 by 10. It becomes 120 by 200 and it becomes 150 by 200. So 10 rational number we can find. So 10 rational number 121 by 200, 122, 200, 123 by 200, 124 by 200, 125 by 200, 126 by 200, 130 by 200, 141 by 200, 42 by 200, 143 by 200. These are the 10 rational number. You can write any rational number between 120 to 150 because the denominator is same. Just we can write between the numbers 120 and 150. Okay, this is by this our 1.2 exercise is finished. If there is any doubt, you can ask through the comments. Okay, the next next chapter will come very soon. Okay,
Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe the channel. For a new notification, press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.